An earthquake jolted Kazakhstan's largest city, Almaty, on March 4th, forcing dozens of people to flee to safety at the sound of sirens. During the earthquake, cracks appeared in the walls of some houses in the city after strong tremors, leading to mass evacuations and emergency measures. Meanwhile, according to the European Seismological Center, the magnitude of the earthquake is estimated at 5.3 points. It is also noted that the earthquake was felt in Bishkek, the capital of the neighboring country, Kyrgyzstan.